Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is Dreame Aero Pro Steam cordless floor washer. It's a wet-dry mop that's going to clean your floor with steam to sanitize your floor. If you know me and my channel, you know I have a coffee addiction. Well, the coffee doesn't always just stay in the cup. Sometimes it goes on the floor. And I'm just too busy with my morning routine to clean it up. So it's going to stain that floor. And sometimes I like to add a little bit of syrup, chocolate syrup, on the top of my coffees. We're going to make a real stain out of this.
And I make double sure that that is a stain that's right onto my floor. I took my hairdryer out to give it a blow dry.
What a dried on mess. A lot of that has stained my floor. We got chocolate and we got all that dried on espresso I poured on it. Blech. And I just love Meow Meow. Meow Meow is my kitty cat. She kind of looks like a panda bear. She needs to be brushed all the time. She sheds so bad. That hair gets everywhere. Bye, Meow Meow. Well, and there's also my hair. I have my hair shedding from me all the time too. It goes everywhere. Ah! So we have the cat hair and we have my hair. Could my kitchen be any messier? The answer is yes. Sometimes the mess has a lot of grease, oil, and fat in it, like butter. This is where I need the Aero Pro Steam cordless floor washer. That steam is so powerful, it can even melt ice. So I'm going to add this to the mess.
Can you believe this? We've got the dried on coffee stains. We've got the chocolate. We have the kitty hair. We have my hair. We have ice and we have butter. That is one big mess.
This wet dry vacuum floor washer
Smart mode.
is smart. I'm going to pick this steam mode
Steam mode.
and we're going to see it steam up to get this mess. So once you pull it back, it's going to start getting hot to create all that steam. It'll take about 30 seconds. Operation complete. It's ready to go. Can you see all the steam coming up? It's super hot down there. I don't want to get too close. Let's start tackling that mess.
This is an all-in-one, chemical-free steam cleaner. I have many cameras on this mess, and the reason is it cleans so fast. That steam is coming out at 392 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees centigrade. Look at it pick up that coffee stain and that chocolate. With that hot steam, it is cutting through that dried on coffee stain and that sticky chocolate syrup. It has 28,000 PA suction power for heavy messes. That 28,000 powerful suction is so powerful for a wet, dry vacuum cleaner, so it easily picks up wet and dry messes at the same time. The Aero Pro Steam got up all that cat hair in my hair, tangle free, with all of that sticky chocolate mess and the coffee. It's got a dual scraper system underneath it that scrapes the vacuum mop, and with that steam cleaner all in one, it helps cut through hair and fur with that hot water and that 392 degree Fahrenheit steam. That's what gives you the streak-free and crystal clean floor. No sticky mess left behind. So back to the butter. I placed my Aero Pro Steam with the steam coming out on the butter. I wanted to see that butter melt, and it sure did. It got the butter. Look at this. My floor is perfectly clean now. It is not greasy. That hot steam cleaned my floor. How easy it is to use this Aero Pro Steam wet dry vacuum.
Now look at how clean the floor is. It got up everything. All the mess I had with the coffee and the chocolate and the butter and the ice, and it went so fast. It sucked up the ice and steamed the ice and melted the ice and then melted all that butter. That's amazing. What a beautiful floor. And in quick time, that only took me 3 minutes to do the whole mess. It has many different modes to it. I did all that in steam, but check this out.
Turbo mode.
Let's do turbo mode. And it can go all the way down to the floor. Flat. And in turbo mode, it can get the toughest stains out. And we're going to walk through the modes there.
Steam mode. Suction mode. Eco mode. Smart mode. Turbo mode. Steam mode.
There you go. You can see how it rotates around and it lets you know by talking to you what mode it's in. And if your house just needs a light clean, you might want to do your whole house to get the dust up in eco mode. Eco mode, you'll have more time with the battery in eco mode to get larger square footages done.
In fact, it'll run in eco mode for 70 minutes. That's enough to clean 5,597 square feet of house on a single charge. And for dusting your house without using the steam, you can get through that quickly. And for simple cleans without the big mess I had to use the steam on, you can clean your house on a single charge because of that 70-minute runtime. If you're using it 100% on the steam mode, it'll last 20 minutes. That's certainly enough to get your messy rooms like your kitchen clean.
And when you're done cleaning, you just put it simply into the base.
Start charging.
It'll charge. I'm going to empty the water tank. The lever is right on the back, so you pull that up and take out the dirty water tank. On the back is an indicator of the maximum dirty water you can have when it's standing up. When it lays flat, it's a little lower. So just pull out the filter. All of this had picked up this, but gravity made it go right down here. But it got all that hair up that was around that roller. Wow. And this is what we got from all those messes today. And I always give it a rinse after I've used it. And this is the other filter, and I use a brush to get out the stuff. You can see the stuff that came out. Most of it's down the sink, all that hair. For my garbage disposal to get next. And every 3 or 4 months, I'll clean this top filter. It just comes out the top. We can see that it's really clean right now. I don't need to even wash this, but if I wanted to, I could to clean it. And scrape it with a brush. And pop it right back in. And put this right back into the water sleeve it came from. That took all of 30 seconds. And the LED display will light red when it's charging. And this is the button you're going to press to self-wash. So press the button once.
Start self-cleaning with steam.
So when it's self-cleaning, it's steaming and soaking that water. And that hot water is soaking that roller at 203 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 95 degrees centigrade. That's going to get out any greasy mess, sticky mess, sugary mess. Anything that's on that roller is getting double cleaned within the self-cleaning cycle. After that's done, it's going to air dry itself. That hot air drying, it's going to go for 5 minutes. So no mildew and smells and germs will establish themselves on the roller brush underneath. See that roller spinning? It is spinning clean in that hot wash.
Self-cleaning function off. Start charging.
Now let's check that roller. Clean.
Let's look at the before shot of all that mess. And now, look at the after shot. How beautifully clean my floor is. The Aero Pro Steam floor washer works fast. This video was much longer than the actual clean time, which was really only a couple of minutes. It's an amazingly fast cleaner.
The bathroom is one of the hardest places to keep sanitized. There's a lot of stuff that goes on here. Oh, people spill things like mouthwash, and that can be a dried-on stain. And I have a hard, porous travertine stone floor. This is really easy to stain with all kinds of things, including other yellow fluids that might happen in your bathroom. You get the idea. Now, I let these dry to show you the power of the Aero Pro Steam. And I have a lot of hair, and of course, that's going to get all over the bathroom floor too. And my hair is long, and it piles up. The bathroom is one of the dirtiest rooms in my house. All that humidity brings all the dust right down to the floor too, and makes it stick.
I'm going to press the modes here.
Turbo mode. Steam mode.
This is a mode I want to use in my bathroom as well. That steam is going to help sanitize my floor. I'm giving you a demonstration I'm going through on my floor right here to clean up all that mess. Look at how fast it gets that hair up. The same with those yellow dried-on stains and the mouthwash. I'm showing it from different angles now so you can see how well the Aero Pro Steam cleans up messes that you do not want to scrub with your hands and knees in these tight spaces, these tight areas. This is a nimble machine that gets through tight spaces like this. This is one place you want to automatically clean your floor without you being too involved. Just pushing the machine is all I want to do in a bathroom floor. And the Aero Pro Steam gets it done. My toilet base is curved, and with hardly any effort from me, it got right up to the toilet base with that steam at 392 degrees Fahrenheit to get those germs. And in just a couple of minutes, my bathroom floor was spotless, no more stains. Look how beautiful my travertine tile looks.
So now for the towel test. Let's see if we got it all up. I'm scrubbing so hard so I can prove to you it got it all up. And it did. It's perfectly clean. Clean enough to even touch my face with it. I want to show you how confident I am and how impressed I am with the Aero Pro Steam. Can you believe the new innovations that Dreame has come up with this Aero Pro Steam cordless floor washer? Be sure to click the link in my description box to get yours. Use my special code in that description box to get 27% off. Dreame's launching it at a special discount for a limited amount of time. Now it's just $439.99, and that's valid until July 31st. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's life is for your messiest places in your house for a quick cleanup with the Dreame Aero Pro Steam. If you like this video, here's more over there, including some of my very messy recipes. Just click.